Unlocking VAG SFD Gateway with Xtool Scanners, full manual step-by-step guide. Before we dive deep into today's step-by-step tutorial, let me make one thing clear. This video is created purely for educational and informational purposes. Everything you're about to see is meant to help professional technicians, passionate DIYers, and automotive learners understand how to safely and effectively work with vehicle diagnostics. We fully respect manufacturer guidelines, follow fair use principles, and use all brand names and trademarks purely for identification and review. Nothing shown here is intended for commercial exploitation. So please, always work within your local laws and safety regulations. Now, here's something you might not know. Unlocking the VAG SFD Gateway isn't just about gaining access to your Volkswagen or Audi's control modules. It's also about understanding the security system protecting these vehicles. And here's my challenge to you. Can you guess how long an SFD unlock remains valid before it expires? Drop your answer in the comments before we get to the end, and let's see who gets it right. Before we begin, I've got a heartfelt request. Most of you watch these videos, learn from them, but never actually hit the subscribe button. It takes just 1 second for you, but it helps keep Bob G Motors alive and motivates me to keep bringing you the latest automotive diagnostic knowledge. So please, hit that subscribe button right now, ring the notification bell, and let's set ourselves a goal. 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in the next 24 hours. If you find this guide useful, like, comment, and if you truly want to support the channel, consider using the Super Thanks feature. Now, let's get started. Today, we're tackling something many Volkswagen and Audi owners or technicians have been asking about: how to unlock the VAG SFD security gateway manually using Xtool diagnostic devices. Once unlocked, you're free to use any diagnostic tool you want on the car. Yes, you heard that right. This process removes the restriction for that vehicle session, allowing advanced diagnostics and adaptations. Let's begin by talking about the compatible devices for this task. Xtool has a solid lineup that supports SFD unlocking. This includes the D8 series, the D9 series, like the D9S and D9S Pro, the A80 and H6 series, as well as the XT80 and XT90 models. One important thing to note right away: Xtool does not supply the unlock tokens directly. You'll need to obtain them from a third-party provider. Without a valid token, you won't be able to complete the process. Now, there are 2 main paths to perform an SFD unlock on a VAG vehicle using a Xtool scanner: the single system entry path and the auto scan path. Let's break them down. First, the single system entry method. Start by connecting your Xtool device to the vehicle and selecting the full system diagnostic option. From there, pick a specific system you want to work on, maybe the engine control module or perhaps the ABS module. Once inside, the Xtool will automatically detect the vehicle brand and check if the selected system is protected by SFD. If it is, you'll see the manual unlock option. Tapping it will trigger the device to generate a data package. This package is what you'll send to your token provider to receive your unlock code. There are 3 ways to handle this unlock request data. Option 1, generate a QR code directly on the Xtool screen. You can scan it with your phone to obtain the unlock request file. Option 2, share the unlock request code via email. The device will send the request data straight to your email inbox. Option 3, tap the server link provided by the Xtool, which opens a web page where you can upload your request data and receive the unlock token in return. Once you have the token, you can either manually input it into the Xtool or let the device automatically retrieve it from the server if that option is available. The second method is through the auto scan path. This is perfect if you want to see a complete picture of your vehicle's control modules. Select Auto Scan and let the Xtool perform a full system scan. Once it's finished, it will show you exactly which modules are protected by SFD, which ones are already unlocked, and how much time remains before each unlock expires. When you choose a locked module, you'll follow a process similar to the single system entry path. Select the module, hit Manual Unlock, share the request data via one of the 3 methods, submit it for a token, and then input the token to complete the unlock. The beauty of this system is that once the SFD gateway is unlocked, You can perform advanced diagnostic and adaptation functions that are otherwise restricted. You could use functions like coding, long coding adaptations, or module parameter changes with your preferred tool, even if it's not installed, until the unlock period expires. For technicians and workshop owners, mastering this process means you're no longer dependent on OEM access every time you need to make a change to a module. It saves time, money, and in many cases, helps you serve your customers faster. Now, remember, this isn't a permanent bypass. It's a temporary unlock that will eventually expire, requiring you to repeat the process if you need access again. That's why knowing exactly how long your unlock lasts is important, so you can plan your work without interruptions. This process also highlights the importance of having a reliable token provider. Without them, your Xtool can't complete the unlock, and you'll be stuck. Always choose a provider with a quick turnaround and a proven record of supplying valid tokens. The Xtool interface makes the process intuitive enough that once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. Whether you go through the single system entry or the full auto scan, the steps are straightforward. You identify the locked module, generate and send the request data, obtain and enter the unlocked token, and then proceed with your advanced functions. By the way, if you've tried this process before, let me know in the comments which method you prefer, the single system entry or the auto scan. I'd love to hear from real technicians in the field about which workflow fits better into your daily routine. And that brings us to the answer to our intro question. How long does an SFD unlock remain valid? In most cases, the validity period is around 90 minutes for the session, though this can vary depending on the specific vehicle and system you're working with. Personally, I think that's just enough time to get the job done without leaving the vehicle exposed for too long. What's your take on that? Comment below and share your experiences. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you're planning multiple system adaptations in a session, always unlock all the SFD protected modules you'll need access to at the start. This way, you won't waste time going back and forth between unlocking and performing your actual diagnostic work. So, if you found this guide helpful, don't just move on. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and let's hit our goal of 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in the next 24 hours. And if you really appreciate the effort we put into creating these step-by-step tutorials, consider sending a super thanks to help keep BobG Motors going strong. Thanks for watching, happy diagnosing, and I'll see you in the next one.